Hello everyone, welcome to the Marketing Your Business with ChatGPT Masterclass. In this comprehensive guide, you'll learn how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to effectively market your business, connect with your audience, and drive growth. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your marketing strategies to the next level, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'll give you a brief introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced AI-powered language model that can generate human-like text responses. It can be an invaluable tool for businesses looking to enhance their marketing efforts, improve customer support, and drive sales. So now let's talk about how you can set up ChatGPT for your business. To get started, you need to follow these steps. First, sign up for an OpenAI account, visit the OpenAI website and sign up for an account that meets your business needs. Then get API access and gain access to the ChatGPT API to integrate the model into your applications. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation by understanding how to make API calls and customize the model's responses to fit your business requirements. Can we do content creation with ChatGPT? Of course, why not? ChatGPT can help you create various types of content like blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, and even ad copies. To make blog posts, use ChatGPT to generate outlines, titles, and even full-length articles. And if you want to make social media content, ChatGPT will help you create engaging captions, hashtags, and other content for various platforms. To do email campaigns, ChatGPT will craft compelling subject lines and email content to improve open rates and click-through rates. Also, ChatGPT will generate persuasive ad copy for your online advertising campaigns. Remember to proofread and edit the AI-generated content to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and message. Moving forward, let's discuss customer support and engagement. These will help you to enhance your customer support and engagement efforts with ChatGPT. Chatbots integrate ChatGPT into your chatbot to provide quick, accurate, and personalized assistance. FAQs use ChatGPT to generate answers to common questions and create a comprehensive FAQ page. Social media engagement monitor and respond to comments and messages on social media using ChatGPT to maintain a consistent brand presence. So now it's time to talk about sales and lead generation. ChatGPT can help you boost sales and generate leads by creating detailed and engaging product descriptions to entice potential customers. And you can use ChatGPT to craft convincing testimonials and case studies that showcase your business's success. Also, ChatGPT will generate personalized cold email templates to reach out to potential leads and expand your customer base. Sales and lead generation are two critical components of any successful business. In this part, we'll discuss some strategies that you can use to generate leads and close more sales. To generate leads and close sales, you'll need to understand the needs and pain points of your target audience. Create buyer personas to help you identify your ideal customers and tailor your marketing and sales messages to their unique needs. Content marketing can be a powerful tool for generating leads and building trust with your audience. Create big posts, videos, ebooks, and even other kinds of content that provide value to your target audience and position your business as an expert in your industry. Email marketing can be an effective way to nurture leads and move them through your sales funnel. Use email to share content, offer promotions, and provide personalized recommendations based on the recipient's interests and behaviors. Chatbots like ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for generating leads and providing customer support. Use chatbots to answer common questions, provide recommendations, and guide prospects through your sales funnel. Providing exceptional customer service is critical for closing sales and generating repeat business. Make sure your sales team is knowledgeable, responsive, and empathetic to the needs of your customers. To improve your sales and lead generation efforts, it's important to measure and analyze your results. Use analytics tools to track metrics like website traffic, lead conversion rates, and sales revenue, and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Moving on to the next, let's talk about monitoring and improving your ChatGPT strategy. Monitoring and improving your ChatGPT strategy is essential to ensure that you're getting the most out of this powerful marketing tool. Here are some steps that you can take to monitor and improve your ChatGPT strategy. Start by defining clear goals for your ChatGPT strategy. Do you want to increase engagement on your website, provide better customer support, or generate leads? Defining your goals will help you focus your efforts and measure your success. Use analytics tools to monitor the performance of your ChatGPT model. Track metrics like engagement, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction to get a sense of how well your ChatGPT is performing. Collect feedback from your customers and website visitors to get a sense of how well your ChatGPT is meeting their needs. Use surveys, polls, and other feedback mechanisms to gather insights that can help you improve your ChatGPT model. Use the data and feedback you collect to continuously improve your ChatGPT model. Analyze the questions and comments your visitors are submitting and update your model accordingly to ensure that it's providing accurate and helpful responses. Experiment with different responses to see which ones are the most effective. Use A/B testing to compare different responses to see which ones generate the most engagement and conversions. While ChatGPT can handle many customer questions and concerns, there will be times when human intervention is necessary. Make sure that you have a plan in place for when this happens and consider using a chat escalation feature that allows visitors to connect with a live agent when needed. In conclusion, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize your marketing, customer support, and sales efforts. To make the most out of this tool, carefully integrate it into your existing strategies and continually monitor and refine its performance. With the right approach, ChatGPT can help you take your business to new heights. If you found this masterclass valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.